Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for January 6th. We're looking at the U.S. Japanese yen pair first. This pair barely broke previous high, did close up for the day, did move a little bit lower though. We are looking for this pair to continue overall moving sideways, potential for a reversal during this next session. Look for it to potentially go as high and hit resistance around 83.50. Possibly moving down and hitting support around 82.85. Okay, now the Euro USD pair surged to the downside, broke through previous support, closed lower, is moving lower, biases to the downside. Look for on a reversal going as high as 132.50, possibly down to 128.32. Look for some resistance around 131.25 and look for some support around 129.75. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed lower, did break previous low, overall moving sideways, biases sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 156.37, possibly as low as 153.26. Look for some resistance around 155.36 and look for some support around 154.15. Now the US Swiss, this pair moved higher but pulled back, closed a little bit lower, did create a doji bar. We do have the potential for a reversal. Look for this pair to potentially go up and hit some resistance around 0.9710 or possibly moving lower down to support at 0.9515. Okay, as far as news announcements go, we have the Canadian dollar releasing their net change in employment for December at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it's risen from 15.2K to 20.0K. We also have the U.S. releasing their non-farm payroll for December at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has moved higher from 39K to 140K. So definitely keep an eye on that news announcement. Now we have two windows of opportunity is what I like to call them. Maybe not the best name, but that's kind of what they are as far as trades. We have a low here. We have a strong surge to the upside during the previous session. And then it moved lower here in the U.S. Japanese yen pair. So what I'm looking for basically is the market to come down and look to sell at 82.85 and then look to exit this trade at 82.27. So for this trade, if you just take a look at the amount of pips, it's about a 60 pip move. Put your stop loss above here, it's about 53 pips, so you have a better than 1-to-1 risk to reward on this one. Now we also have a windows of opportunity trade here in the U.S. Swiss. In this particular pair, it did close lower as far as today's session, which is always good. And we have another opportunity basically to go short at 0.9609 and then look to exit that trade at 0.9516. So what this looks like from a risk to reward standpoint, we got about a 91 pip move, 93 somewhere in there. Stop loss here around 99 or so. You probably put it even above this one, be above this high at about 75, 78, and still be okay given enough room to move. Well, that about wraps us up for today. And until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.